So what else was I showing you, Allie? Oh, Tim had a very cool, it's like mnemonic saying whatever. To remember the valves, try right by left. So in the right valve is going to be the tricuspid, the one leading from the atrium to the ventricle. And on the left side, did you see it? I'm sorry, I went kind of fast. Did you see the actual valve? The
right
paper?
there? Yeah.
Yeah,
so that's tricuspid.
That's tricuspid. Try by right, and then try right by left.
Try right
by left, bicuspid, which is also the mitral, is going to be on the left. And the left myocardium is very thick, whereas the right is very thin. And that's because...
Where's that valve now?
Right back here.
Okay.
That's the tricuspid.
Tricuspid, right. Where's the right?
This is the right ventricle.
Okay.
So that's the tricuspid. Because see, this is the right auricle, the right atrium's in there. So that's the tricuspid valve leading into the right ventricle. And then left ventricle, much thicker. Left atrium, so bicuspid valve, or mitral.
Okay.
Chordae tendineae, right here, is going to attach to papillary muscles, right here. Below the papillary muscle, or you'd have to flip it for me for the terminology, but it's like the raw, whatever, flip it the other way.
The pollination part is really hard for me right now, so I'm kind of
Oh no, where's my the other picture? The one that you have. Is it one more back?
maybe. Yeah, we could keep guessing.
Yeah, that one. Okay. So the trabeculae chordae is these down here that don't directly connect to the chordae tendineae.
Okay.
You got the chordae tendineae, the little strings. They directly connect to the papillary muscles. Papillary muscles, they look like papillary muscles, but they're lower and they don't connect to the chordae tendineae. Those are the trabeculae cornae.
Yes. But in the which area?
In the ventricle. In the ventricle, because in the atria, it's lined with these right here, the pectinate muscles.
And there's little ridgy edges.
Ridgy edges. See them?
That's what you need to know. I'm going to be right in here. I got to log on for another class in 5 minutes.
Oh, okay. We'll clean up in a minute.
Yeah, just this deal.
Okay, thanks. Thanks for your help. Okay, another thing she'll ask us is the intraventricular, what do we call this? Intraventricular, are you recording this or are you taking pictures? Oh, I thought you were taking pictures.
Intraventricular vena cava?
No, forgot what she had called it, and then this is the coronary sulcus. Coronary sulcus, you'll be able to see, it's this like fatty area. So if you follow that around, your sulcus is in here, and the sulcus is going to be where the blood vessels are.
Okay.
Because a sulcus is like an area of depression where the blood vessels are going to fit. So your coronary sulcus is up here right below your atrium, and then the intraventricular sulcus is going to pass through the ventricle, and so you can even see, you see this right here, these blood vessels, you can kind of see them. So they're going to be in the sulcus.
Clear.
Yeah. Okay, so then whenever you're looking at valves, flipping it over posteriorly, you have your pre-cava here, post-cava here.
That
like
one's just cut.
Just something to remember is that the vena cava is going to have thinner walls than the aorta. The aorta is going to have very thick walls because of the elastin.
In the artery.
In the artery for the pumping. Okay, so then this right here, like we said, was the pulmonary trunk. If you open up the pulmonary trunk, you can see the pulmonary valve.
Yep.
1, 2, right there, 1, 2. Look in the book, 1, 2. Then the aortic valves are going to be through the aorta. So we're coming, remember we said ascending aorta, aortic trunk. This is the beginning of descending aorta. So we're going into the aorta here to see the aortic valve. You've got to look a little bit deeper, but you can see the little paper in there.
Yeah, I see it.
Okay. And then, so first, always remember that the first vessel coming off of the aorta is going to be the brachiocephalic trunk, this one right here. Now, if our descending aorta were not clipped so short, we would be able to see the left common carotid and the left subclavian artery, but those are missing here.
Okay.
Also missing, are our pulmonary veins. But if they weren't snipped, you kind of see this indentation right here.
Yeah, I think on our other heart we saw the pulmonary veins.
We did see the pulmonary veins. Yeah, so this is going to be actually the, I think we said that this one was the right pulmonary vein because it's coming from the right Because if the vein was still here, it would be like, imagine my pointer is the vein, it would do this.
Okay.
And so this indentation here, I think we said was the left pulmonary vein, coming from the left. So different lobes of the lung. That's why you have the right and the left. And then one other thing we didn't look at. We also have to know the ligamentum arteriosum, which was where the pulmonary trunk actually connected to the aorta. Don't know that it's visible on here. Well, it looks like it.
Yeah.
Thinking right here. They may have snipped some of it off, but you would see it, down in here, this connection, ligamentum arteriosum. Basically, it's where the pulmonary trunk or the pulmonary artery attaches to the aorta. A little remnant of that there. And then you saw the coronary sinus, which was in the right atrium, medial, just above the tricuspid valve right there, that opening. And that's basically everything that she could, you see it?
Mhm.
Everything that she could tag for the test.
Okay.